Welcome back to Dalton Physical Therapy. I'm Jolene Dalton, continuing our series on the foam roller. You'll notice different kinds of foam rollers out there. Some have a little more lumps and bumps and valleys and knobs on them. Those are for advancing your foam rolling practice. So as always, I recommend first the cylindrical smooth foam rollers like we already demonstrated for you, and then advancing to some of the specialty ones. This particular one is called a Rollga. I like this one because of the placement of where the hills and valleys are. If you'll notice, when I lay on it from the back, my spine is going to hit this first valley right in the center. And then the valleys on the side give my bony prominence of my shoulder blade a little bit of relief, so I'm not pressing right on the bones. So as I do this, I can use it just like the other foam roller. As I roll back and forth, I'm getting a little deeper pressure into the muscles next to my spine, but leaving some of the load off the spine itself. I can also roll sideways a little bit, get a little more intense roll to the back of my shoulder on either side. And then as I roll down, again, catches a little bit more of my rib cage. This one, I feel a little safer about going into my lower back area because it's not pushing right onto my spine, but instead getting into the back muscles. And just like the other rollers, you can get up on the glutes. That sits bone can rest right in the valley of the Rollga. And you can also get it to the back of the hamstrings. And this feels really nice because the Rollga comes up and hugs around the hamstrings, inside and outside the hamstrings. You get a nice release there, as well as down into the calves. Feels really good because you have pressure on all sides of the calf. And then if you get up on your shins, like we did on the other roller, you're not getting that pressure on the bone, but instead getting the muscles on the sides of the bone. Feels really nice, as well as into the quads themselves. So just some other options out there. If you would like to give the Rollga a try, as well as our other foam rollers, please consider coming to our Stretch and Release workshop in April. More information is on our website, www.daltonpt.com. Hope to see you there.